some curls with it. You'll be fine. Are you shooting?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Just do curls with it. Where's Brent? Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brent. Happy birthday to you.
Honey, you have to come blow out the candles.
Come over here, old man.
Stop being so lazy, old man.
You're gonna hit your dog.
Nah, he's fine.
Nice.
Brent lost the pirate. You gotta make a wish. Don't tell anyone.
Pirate
Do you like that song?
You gotta continue.
I want to marry Tisha.
Doing the best he can.
Doing the best.
Oh, be careful. Is that chocolate?
It landed on Cooper. He's Cooper's
okay.
on fire. Thanks, Jonah.
all my stuff.